I'm going to be a talk show host.
Really? That should be interesting.
Indeed, it will be airing on July 20th. We already have recorded our first episode.
When you say talk show, do you mean it'll have guest stars?
Of course. And take a wild guess who our first one is.
Nothing's coming to me.
Bruce Wayne.
Wow, that should excite people. Wayne rarely does stuff like talk shows.
I know. Quite a catch, eh?
Yeah, now if you don't mind, I have places to be, so could you let go of me now?
You promise to tune in?
Of course. Well,
I'll think about it. I'm still thinking.
Daisy, Basra, 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 Daisy.